Hey everybody, Trisha here from the Freedom Hill Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to make some brownies, so I thought I'd take you along. I have in here 2 sticks of butter that are melted, and to that I'm going to add 2/3 cup of Hershey's cocoa. So let me measure that out and add that in here real quick. This is a very quick and easy brownie recipe that I have used literally for decades. My family loves it, can't get enough, and always wants me to make it. So tonight, I thought I'd whip it up. So I mix up the baking cocoa and the melted butter, and to that, I will add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Don't mind the noise as I reach for my canisters and that. 2 cups of granulated sugar. There's 1 cup. Close enough. It's a lot of sugar, but it's a big pan of brownies. It makes it 9 to 13. So I go ahead and I mix that in really well and get that stirred up. So far so good. Okay, the next thing I add are 4 eggs. So I will add eggs 1 at a time, and I'm going to throw them behind the camera because that's where my sink is, and I have a garbage disposal. So I can just put them down the garbage disposal when I'm done. And yes, I'm just cracking my eggs right into the bowl. So then I go through and I just crack all the yolks and blend that up really well. To this, I add 1 teaspoon of my homemade vanilla extract. Look at all I have left. I need to get to the liquor store and buy some vodka, go on Amazon and get some vanilla beans and make some more. Getting really low. Okay, I just want to rinse my hands a little bit there. So I'll mix in the vanilla. I'm out of flour. I have to go to the store. Okay. It's actually the next day. Made it to the store, got some more flour. I buy only unbleached flour. So I add a cup of flour to my mix. In addition to that, add a teaspoon of baking soda. And just a tad bit of iodized salt. I don't add a half a teaspoon. Some recipes call for that. I don't. And then I just continue to mix until it's well mixed. This sat in the refrigerator overnight, so it's a little bit thicker. It might be interesting to see how that turns out with the brownies. But I'll just mix this up. You're just looking for a consistent color. It does not have to be perfect, and you don't want to overmix it. I prepared a baking pan, 9 by 13, with cooking spray. Grab a spatula, and I will put this in the pan. Make sure it's evenly distributed, although when it gets hot in the oven it will continue to spread out and be more even. So I'm preheating the oven to 350, and I will bake these for about 28 to 33 minutes. The last thing I add in is a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I just sprinkle them all over. Then I will take my spatula and kind of rub them in, but not real firm. I don't want them all sinking to the bottom, and they will melt. The ones on top will melt just a little bit, and it just makes this delicious top to the brownies. Okay, now my oven is all preheated to 350. So let's get the brownies in the oven. There we go.